back to my channel, guys. If you're wondering why am I in a chair, this don't look like my ordinary room or house. I'm just in my brother's room, okay? Let's get back into the video. Alright, so today I woke up at 12 o'clock. And it's already been 2 hours. I'm like, what the heck, man? 2 hours already? I was like, I can't do this, bro. Because, like, this ain't my ordinary time I wake up. The ordinary time I wake up is like 9. Not 12. It was like 12:26. No, 12:36. Hold up, I got that wrong. I don't remember now, but yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, that's the craziest part of my video. We got Think a Putty Black Pearl. That's what we're going to be playing with today. If we can get it open. Oh my god, this is hard, guys. Oh, we got it. The thing I love about these are when you're first opening it, it's so smooth, but once that one finger goes in, it all gets ruined. Let's go. Open this, open this, open this. Really cool. Ew. Stuck in my lid. Okay. Now let's get into the second putty. This is a big one. It is Think a Putty Liquid Glass. Oh, that one was so easy. I don't know what happened here, but we got some green. It don't even look like anything's in it. This is an empty can. Which one looks empty? If you say both, you're wrong. Only one was empty, and it was the little one. Oh my god, this one comes out of the container so easily. Okay, look. Like, can you see me through it? Because I can't see you unless I like stretch. Ooh, you see me. Alright, let's put these away. Alright guys, so let's get into this next part. I'm sorry guys, I didn't have a YouTube channel when I got one of these. And it's been about a year. I think, yeah, it's been a year and I had this channel. A year. So, 1 year has passed by on this channel. Happy New Year. It's 2024, baby! 2024, 2024, 2024, 2024, 2024. And it used to be 2023. 2023. I started my channel in 2023. Yeah. I started my channel at 2023. And I'm not ending my channel yet. But I did get my channel at 2023. And I have it at 2024. Ooh. 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 Okay, well, I should probably, say goodbye to y'all, because, yeah, you want to see what my brother got for Christmas? He got a gel blaster. Look at this. That's off, that's normal, and this is auto. Yeah, well, that's going to be the end of my video. Bye!